Good morning, students. So welcome back. Now last time we have seen question 1 of exercise 9.4. So now question number 2. Find the product of exercise 9.4. So I have written the second example, x plus 7y into 7x minus y. So multiplication of binomial by a binomial, right? So what can we do? X into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. So what we have done? We have opened the bracket of first expression, binomial, and then we have used the law of distributivity, okay? And now this is monomial by binomial, monomial by binomial, and we know that, okay? So x into 7x plus into minus, minus x into y plus into plus plus 7y into 7x plus into minus, minus 7y into y, okay? Now 7x into x, x square, minus xy, plus 7 7 49, y into x, yx, or I can write it as xy, minus 7 y into y, y square. Now you can see here, these are the similar terms. So we can do the mathematical operation. Now see here, minus and plus. So difference in sign. Oh yes, go for absolutely right, subtraction. So 49 minus 1, 48, xy. Give the sign of bigger number. Bigger number 49. What sign it has got? Plus. So plus. And minus 7 y square. Okay. Now next example, fourth example. So fourth example, p square minus q square into 2p plus q. Okay. So p square in bracket 2p plus q minus q square in bracket 2p plus q. Okay, now open the brackets and again multiply monomial by a binomial. Okay, so p square into 2p plus into plus plus. So p square into q. Now naughty fellow is there. So minus into plus, minus q square into 2p, minus into plus, minus q square into q. Okay, so that is equal to, now see, 2 1s are 2, p square into p, how much? Yes, pq plus p square q minus 2 1s are 2, 2pq square. Don't change the powers, be careful of the powers. Okay, now q square into q, that is q cubed. Are there any similar terms? Not at all. This is p square q and this is pq square. So they are not similar terms. Okay. So now let us move to question number 3rd. Now question 3rd is simplified. Okay. So we have to go till the last possible step. Okay, now here, this is multiplication, here it is addition. So we know this, multiplication of binomial by a binomial. So we have learned it. Okay, so what to do? Open the brackets of first term and multiply it by the second bracket. So x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25, right? Now, this is monomial by binomial, monomial by binomial. We know that, okay? Now, so that is x square into x plus into plus plus square into 5. Okay. Now naughty fellow. So minus 5 into plus, minus into plus, minus. So 5 into x. Minus into plus, minus. So 5 into 5 plus 25. Now x square into x. Yes, there you are. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 plus 25. Now see here, my dear friends, minus 25 plus 25 gets cancelled. So cut it. Now left is what? So x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. That is the simplified form. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next example. Now seeing the example, don't get tense. You have studied the basics. Try to use them. Okay? You know the basics. What are the basics? Yes, this is binomial by binomial. So I know the multiplication. Again, it is binomial by binomial. I know the multiplication. This is monomial by binomial. I know the multiplication. Go on simplifying it. Don't panic. Believe on your capabilities. Yes, I have studied this. I know it. Example की length देखकर मत घबरा जाइए. Okay. So now, so what you will do? So here I can do a into bracket c minus d plus b into bracket c minus d. Okay. Plus a into bracket c plus b and minus b into bracket c plus d, and this you can open it. Okay, so plus 2 into AC plus 2 into BD. Right? Now here it is monomial by binomial. Everywhere it is here, it is monomial by binomial. So open the brackets and multiply. A into C plus into minus minus A into D plus B into C plus into minus minus B into D plus A into C plus into plus plus A into D. Okay, minus B into C minus into plus minus B into D. Okay, this becomes plus 2AC plus 2BD. Okay, now here this will become AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Okay. Now are there any cancelable terms? See here, minus AD plus AD cancelled. Okay. Then plus BC minus BC cancelled. Now rest terms are not cancelable. So we can bring them together. So this is AC, you can underline plus AC and plus 2AC. Okay, so we will bring them together, plus AC plus 2AC. Do you get it? Now left is what? This is minus BD. Again this is minus BD and this is plus 2BD. Okay, now AC plus AC, 2AC and 2AC plus 2AC. How much? 4AC. Okay, now see, minus 1, minus 1. Similarity in the sign, go for addition. So minus 2BD plus 2BD. So minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. Answer is, oh yes, 4AC. This is the simplified form. Okay, so let's move to the next example. Now see 7th, 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now this is multiplication of binomial by a trinomial. So first we will do that. Keep these terms as it is. Okay. So don't get confused or don't get panicked. Think and solve. Okay? You know the basics, you can do it. So what is the basic here? Multiplication of binomial by trinomial. I am clear. If I am clear there, I am not going to get tensed. Okay? So let us do it. So open the bracket of this term. So 1.5x into bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then minus 4y into bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. And these terms as it is. 4.5x minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now open the brackets and multiply. Now 15 that is 15 square. It is 225. X into x, x square. Now it is 1.5. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? Count here. 1, 2. So decimal point should be after 2 digits. That too from right hand side towards left hand side. So 1, 2. So answer is 2.25 x square. Okay. Now plus 1.5x into 4y. Okay. Plus 1.5x into 3. Minus into plus. Minus 4y into 1.5x. Minus into plus. Minus 4y into 4y. Minus into plus. Minus 4y into 3. Okay. And minus 4.5x plus 12y as it is. Okay. Now, so 2.25 x square plus, now see, 15 fours are 60. X into y, xy. Now decimal point, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1. So decimal point after 1 digit, 1. From right hand side towards left hand side. So it is 6.0xy. That means 6xy. Okay. Plus 15 threes are 45. X. Decimal point after 1 digit. So 4.5x minus 15 fours are 60. xy. Decimal point after 1 digit. So 6.0xy. Minus 4 fours are 16, y into y, y square. Minus 4 threes are 12y. Minus 4.5x and plus 12y. अभी देखो क्या होने वाला है. So plus 6.0xy minus 6.0xy. Opposite signs, so they will get cancelled. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x. They will get cancelled. Minus 12y plus 12y. They will get cancelled. So what is left? 2.25x square minus 16y square. Okay, so that is what the expected answer is. Now let's move to the last example of this particular question, third, that is question number 8. Now see 8th one, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. Now this is trinomial by trinomial. Till now I have, means there was no such example where trinomial is multiplied by trinomial. We have seen binomial by binomial, binomial by trinomial. This is the only example where you will come across trinomial by trinomial. So nothing to worry about. You know that what to do. Use of law of distributivity. Okay. So that's what we can do here. So a into bracket a plus b minus c plus b into bracket a plus b minus c plus c into bracket a plus b minus c. Okay. Now what is this? Monomial by trinomial, monomial by trinomial, monomial by trinomial. We know that. We have done it. Okay. So open the brackets and multiply. A into a plus into plus plus a into b plus into minus, minus, A into C, plus into plus, plus, B into A, plus into plus, plus, B into B, plus into minus, minus, B into C. Okay, now plus into plus, plus, C into A, plus into plus, plus, C into B, plus into minus, minus, C into C. Now A into A, yes, obviously A square, plus AB minus AC, plus B into A, that is AB, plus B into B, B square, minus BC, plus A into C, AC, plus BC, minus C square. अभी देखो माइनस AC प्लस AC कैंसिल है ना, राइट, माइनस BC प्लस BC कैंसिल. नाउ क्या प्लस AB कैंसिल होगा? नहीं होगा, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम दे हैव गॉट द सेम साइन, सो दे विल नॉट गेट कैंसिल. व्हेन वी कैंसिल same terms with opposite signs, they get cancelled. Why they get cancelled? Because when you subtract the coefficient, what you will get? 1 minus 1, 0. And so they get cancelled. That's what it means. Okay. Now, so A square plus AB plus AB plus B square minus C square. Now, these are the similar terms. Plus AB, oh yes, plus 2AB. So that is A square plus 2AB plus B square minus C square. So dear friends, exercise 9.4 is completed here. Okay, so remaining examples of question 2 and question 3 you are supposed to solve as homework. Definitely at the end of this video I will write the homework what you are supposed to do. Okay, now let us continue the next part, that is identity. Now the next part is what is an identity, and then some standard identities we are going to study. So what is an identity? First let us see that. Now this is an equality. X plus 2 into x plus 3 equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Take one value. Suppose if I take if I take x is equal to 0. So let x is equal to 0. Let us see what happens. Okay. Now LHS. X plus 2 into x plus 3. So that is 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 3. So what I get? 2 plus 0 is 2 and 3 plus 0 is 3. That is 6. Okay. Then RHS, x square plus 5x plus 6. So that is 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 6. Now 0 square is 0, 5 into 0, 0, and so 0 plus 6. What do you get? Yes, of course, it will be 6. So what do you get? LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Now suppose if I use spherical design, let x is equal to 1, he says. I will take 1. Let us see what happens. And so LHS, what is LHS? X plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, so क्या होगा? So 1 plus 2 and here 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 3s are 12. And here RHS. So x square plus 5x plus 6. So that is 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 square is obviously 1. Right? So 1 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Again what you get? Oh my God. What you got? LHS is equal to RHS. Right? तो हमारे जो अगले मित्र है कौन? हाँ, yes, Aryan Takle. He says, no sir, I will take let x is equal to 3. उसने क्या किया, x is equal to 3 लिया और उसने देखा LHS क्या मिल रहा है. So LHS x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3. Value of x is 3. Right? Now 3 plus 2? Yes, 5. Or 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 5s are 30. हम लोग देखेंगे RHS क्या होता है. x square plus 5x plus 6. Value of x 3. So 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square 9. 5 3s are 15 plus 6. 15 plus 9 24. 24 plus 6 30. आर्यन टाकले को भी क्या मिला, LHS is equal to RHS. तो आंसर लेकर क्या बोले, oh my god sir, how this is possible, for each and every value we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. तो वहां से दांडेकर मैडम बोली, अरे this is what is called an identity. This is an example of identity. Why it is identity? So what is an identity? Identity is an expression or equality in which LHS is always equal to RHS, or left hand side is always equal to right hand side for any value of the variable. That is called as an identity. What is identity? It is an expression or an equality. It is an equality which satisfies for any value of variable. Okay, you take any value, you take negative values, doesn't matter. Suppose if here Ashlesha takes negative values, will she get LHS is equal to RHS? She should, till she doesn't make mistake. She doesn't commit any mistake. Okay, so you should always get LHS is equal to RHS. So this is an identity. Okay, but suppose if I have got this equality, x plus 5 is equal to 6. So what will be the value of x here? Let us see. Definitely by saying here only you will say, oh sir, the value of x is here 1. Am I right? Yes. See here. Put x is equal to 1. So what do you get? So LHS 1 plus 5. So that is 1 plus 5, that is equal to x. What is RHS? It is already 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Here I got LHS is equal to RHS. But Omkar Khanere takes it, put. So I will take x is equal to 2. He says, and let us see what happens. So LHS, what is LHS? X plus 5. So 2 plus 5, that is 7. And what is the RHS? 6. Is it equal? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Oh my God. तो ओमकार खाने टेंशन आ गया उनका. ओमकार खाने अब क्या करे, मुझे तो नहीं मिल रहा है. But you are right, my dear, you are right, because this is not an identity, this is an equation. When an equality is satisfied for any one value, for a certain value, then it is called as an equation. What it is called? It is called as an equation. And when an equality is satisfied for any value of the variable, that is called as an identity. Okay, so my dear students, we are going to study 3 standard identities. There is one more identity that we are also going to study, but basic 3 identities we are going to study. They are called as standard identities because most of the examples we solve based on them. Okay, and there is one more, that is also identity only. That is also we are going to learn it. Okay, so let us study identity number 1. So the first identity we are going to study is a plus b whole square. Okay, now this I can write it as a plus b into a plus b. क्या हो गया? Multiplication of binomial by binomial. Am I right? Okay, now we know multiplication of binomial by binomial. Okay, so what to do? Open the bracket of the first expression. So A, and multiply the second bracket. A into A plus B plus B into A plus B. Right? Okay. Now, open the brackets. A into A square plus A into B, AB plus B into A, BA or AB plus B into B, B square. Similar terms. A plus B. Okay. Now, so what do you get? A square plus AB, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2AB plus B square. So my first identity, A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is called as identity number 1. Okay. Now let us study identity number 2, which is that A minus B whole square. Okay. Now here, A minus B whole square means what? A minus B into A minus B. Multiplication of binomial by binomial. I know it. We know it. Okay. So what can we do? Open the bracket of the first expression and multiply the second bracket. A into A minus B. Minus B into A minus B. Right? अभी A into A square. लेकिन naughty fellow है यहाँ पे. Right? So plus into minus. Minus AB. Again here is one more naughty fellow. Minus into plus. Minus B into A, AB. Minus into minus. Plus B square. अभी देखो. These are the similar terms. Minus AB. Okay. So A square. Similarity in the sign, go for addition. So my 1 plus 1, 2. So 2AB. Give the same sign. So minus 2AB plus B square. This is my identity number 2. This is second identity. Okay, this is identity number 2. Now let's move to third identity. Now the third identity is A plus B into A minus B. Okay. So again, multiplication of binomial by binomial. So open one of the bracket. So A into A minus B plus B into A minus B. So that is multiplication of monomial by binomial. So A into A square plus into minus, A into B, AB. Plus into plus, B into A, BA or AB. Plus into minus, B into B, B square. Now see, minus AB plus AB cancelled. So left is A square minus B square. So these three identities, identity 1, identity 2 and identity 3, they are called standard identities. Now there is one more identity, that is identity 4. We are going to study that also. So x plus A into x plus B. See here, what has happened? Second term in both of them is different. So this is identity 4. In first, A plus B. Both the terms were similar. In second, A minus B. Both the terms were similar. Third, A plus B, A minus B. Both the terms were similar. But this identity, if you see, first term in both of the brackets is same. But the second term is different. That is what the difference here. Okay. So now here, again, what we can do? Simple basic multiplication of binomial by binomial. So x into bracket, x plus b plus A into bracket, x plus b. Okay, now, so x into x, x square plus x into b, that is xb, plus A into x, that is xa, plus ab. Now see here, they are not similar terms, but there is something common in them. What is that? Yes, obviously, x. So you will have x square plus, See if you understand. A plus B into x plus AB. I have taken out x common. So left is A plus B. Addition. Okay. Now, how to remember this? So, square of the first term plus sum of the two terms, second term, sum of the second terms multiplied by first term plus product of both the second terms. Do you understand? See what I said? Square of the first term, because first term is same. So, square of the first term. Sum of the two second terms multiplied by the first term plus product of the second terms. Okay, so that is what you can remember here. Okay, now dear students, so today we will stop here. I'll just write the homework before concluding. So this is the homework, exercise 9.4, question number 2, 1 and 3rd, question 3, 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 6th. You are supposed to solve them. So today we will stop here. I hope you are enjoying my videos. I don't know, but I hope you are enjoying and you are liking it. Okay, and so let us stop here today. In next part, we'll see how to use these identities, that is application of the identities, and how we can solve the various or different types of examples. Okay, simplification, that's what we are going to study by application of identities. Okay, so let's stop here today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.